Hey everyone! Want to automate your Slack messages? Today, I'll show you how to connect Slack to n8n in just a few minutes. Let's jump in. Step 1. Search Slack API apps and open the page. Click Create an app. From scratch, name it, e.g. n8n Automation, choose your workspace, and create the app. Step 2. Open OAuth and permissions. In Bot Token scopes, add chat.write, send messages, channels.read, read public channels.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, so go ahead and hit that button.
Groups.read, read private channels, users.read, read user details. Step 3. Click Install to Workspace, Review, Allow, then copy the Bot User OAuth Token. This token will connect Slack to your automations. Step 4. In n8n, add a Slack node. Create new credentials, paste your token in Access Token, and save. Your Slack app is now connected and ready to automate. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more automation tutorials. See you in the next one.